Hi, this beautiful 2016 Kia Sedona LX is located at J.H. Barkau Sons in Freeport, Illinois. The sale price is $21,452. This white van has factory warranty still, low miles, only 21,000 miles. It's very fuel efficient, 24 mpg. It has third row seating, heated seats, Bluetooth, AM, FM radio with CD player. It also has backup camera, USB auxiliary jack, and also lane departure warning. Rear heated and air controls, privacy glass. Be sure to click the link to find out more details about this beautiful white van. Stop out at our Freeport store. The number at our Freeport dealership is 815-232-5017, or follow us on YouTube. You can also check out all of our other cars at barkau.com. And we also have a location in Cedarville.